Includes, this glass bakeware set contains 2-quart and 3-quart baking dish, both made of crystal clear glass. Durable, this tempered glass bakeware set is microwave, preheated oven, refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Plastic lids are BPA free and safe to clean on the top rack of dishwasher. Safe, Anchor Hocking baking glass is healthier than metal and plastic. It will not warp, stain, retain smells, or leach dangerous chemicals into food. 5-year, backed by a protective limited 5-year, this tempered glass bakeware set promises to impress for many years to come. Made in the USA. Anchor Hocking 2-piece oven basics bake set includes 3-quart bake dish, 2-quart bake dish. Anchor glass bakeware is tempered for maximum durability and features an industry-leading 5-year. Glass is microwave, preheated oven, refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher safe. This bake set is a kitchen essential. Perfect for new homeowners, wedding registries, and bridal showers. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I love these larger glass dishes, and had 2 of the 9x13 ones with lids. I mostly use them for making enchiladas or lasagna for when we invite friends over to have dinner with our family of 7. I also use them for making brownies and sheet cakes. A couple of months ago my toddler wanted some leftover cake and tried to pull the dish out of the fridge by himself and it shattered on the tile floor of the kitchen. So I was left with 1 dish and 2 lids. I didn't want to buy another set with a lid and end up with 2 dishes and 3 lids, so I tried to see if I could get just a 9x13 dish, and this was the best I could come up with. It's exactly the same as the one that broke and the lid fits just fine. I actually haven't used the smaller one yet, but I might try doing a tiered rectangular cake this year by using the 2 sizes stacked. Anyway, I've been very happy with this brand and these products.